Hey, this is ComiKen, and I'm just going to show you how to use your phone as a scanner. It's actually something I just figured out now, and I didn't look up any tutorials, I didn't see anything on it, um, so it's just a cool trick that I thought I might show you how to do right now. So what I did was I took a photo of my drawing, and I figured since I didn't have a scanner with me to like actually do it legitimately, I would take a picture of it and see if I could like find some kind of filter on Clip Studio Paint or something like that. Kind of like an Instagram filter that would make it so that the line art was more crisp, more like whited out. You know what I mean? So I took the picture. It landed on my Google Photos, and I downloaded it just using Shift D, which you can find here. And what I did was I pulled the file from my computer and uploaded it to my program. Then I just kind of erased all the miscellaneous stuff around there, my finger, this little color and all that, just to have the drawing left when I was done. So after that, what I did was I just kind of scrolled through these layer properties here, just trying to figure out which one I would use to get this line art to just be the line art and nothing else. So the ones that I found were hard light, linear light, and pin light. These each had the same kind of effect where it just kind of erased all that you know what I mean, like it erased all the stuff around it and left just the line art layer, and that was great. I tried subtract, that gave a really cool effect, and I tried like this, but most of the time it would just disappear. So yeah, hard light, linear light, and pin light are the ones that you want. I went with, I just went with hard light. Actually, I went with linear light since it just seemed like the least, the most stable. So after that, I went to the level correction. Let me see. I have a quick key for it. I use Control F. Level correction, yeah, new correction layer. And what you want is to go to level correction, and then from there, you see how this area of the leg is kind of grayed out. It's not as black as the rest of the lines on there. It's not as crisp. So what I did was I just moved this cursor down this way, and that automatically darkens that part. Then I move that way, just a little bit, and then move the white part up a little bit, and a little bit back, just to adjust it, make it right. And yeah, that gives me really crisp line art. So say I want to color this line art. Every level correction layer is still on, along with this one, which is not a normal layer. It's just weird. So what I did, like, you're not going to be able to draw on this, like, color on top of this correctly, because everything's weird. Like the other layers, see how the color changes? The other layers are still, their effects aren't, the effects are still acting on the other layers. So what I did was I just saved my drawing, or I exported my drawing. You have a quick key for that. What do they call them? A keystroke? Whatever. But I have a quick key for that. I exported my drawing as a JPEG, and then what I did was I imported it into another illustration, like another blank slate. Yeah, and just for your information, I have 600 DPI on these. Like I would scan it in. I would lower it later so I can work like to 300, but for now we have 600 DPI. So now it's just, if you look here, it's just normal. Like there's no like distortion. There's no other layers. See, like the correction layer, like there's none of that. So it's just normal. You can just set it to the reference layer, set it to multiply, and then from there you can just start painting in all the stuff that you could want. Actually, yeah, some lines are open. And use this layer, and you can just start painting it in. Actually, there's some open lines, so it wouldn't like fully fill in. Let me fill in something else. The S. So you can fill in, like, you could just fill in normally. Just like that. Alright. And that, my friends, is how you scan a picture in with just your phone. And I hope this was helpful to you. If this has been done before, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll check the video out. Thanks for watching, and have a good night. This has been ComiKen, and I'm signing off. Bye.